So when I wear makeup, I like to give myself a good clean facial, you should say. So I'm using the Shea Moisture coconut oil to remove my makeup. And so typically what I like to do is I'll just take my hands, take a glob, and just kind of spread it all over my face and kind of just let it melt the makeup. Just make sure you get it all in your creases, all over, the best way you can. Try not to rub it in though. Like I just like to kind of just like make sure it's on there pretty good. I even put it on my lashes, to be honest with you. Let it kind of melt down to my lashes, because then it helps me to remove the lashes pretty easily. So just continue to rub on your face all over where you applied your makeup. Get under those eyes. And from there, I walk away because I wash my hands. I like to make sure my hands are clean when I'm doing anything with dipping my hands in makeup, dipping my hands in containers. So I wash my hands, and when I come back, you'll see my hands are clean. And I like to take a wipe. I use a Neutrogena makeup remover. I'll take the wipes and just go in, remove the coconut oil. So my face is washed. Basically, I just washed it with any type of facial wash that you have home. And now you can see it's so easy to remove the lashes because of the oil that was on there. The coconut oil helps to remove the lashes. So clear face. Yeah, I do have pimple problems. But I take my healing clay and I just basically get a clean container and I put a little bit in the container and add water. After mixing real good, you'll just apply it. Some people apply it with a brush. I just apply it with my hands. As you can see, I'm always cleaning my hands anyway, so I just apply it with some clean hands, rub it in really good. Yep, I have some clumps on there, but that's okay. I smooth those in and just go to my problem area like the pimple, because it'll help dry that out. So I make sure I layer the pimple in any problematic areas, such as like my chin is filled with blackheads and pores, clogged pores, and so does my forehead. But ladies, believe me, if you continue to do this, you will not have problematic skin. When I do this often, especially after makeup, I typically don't have any breakouts. I mean, we're women, we have hormones, so every month I do get like a pimple or a clogged pore, but I'd rather take one a month than to be dealing with this stuff like all year long. So this stuff is really good, and as you wear it, you'll feel it tighten up. Okay,